Hello, Cho. Today we'll discuss about the structure and function of plasma membrane. Here you can see the plasma membrane is fine membranous structure. You have seen the egg. When you will remove the cell, hard covering of the egg, you will find very small fine layer, whitish layer, that is also a type of egg cell membrane or plasma membrane. And here this plasma membrane ultrastructure is here. The fluid mosaic model to explain the structure of plasma membrane was given by Singer and Nicholson. He told that the plasma membrane is made up of biprotein and bilipid layer. So upper surface of membrane and lower surface of membrane made up of peripheral protein. In between these two, here is the bilipid. Bilipid means two layer of phospholipid. Two layer of phospholipid is present here. And between this lipid, here is the integral protein. Integral means pillar-like vertical protein is present. These two proteins form channel-like structure. Channel-like structure, why? Suppose here is the two protein that form channel-like structure, so the material can cross from one side to other side of the membrane. So this channel protein is present to allow the pass material across the membrane. And here are the phospholipid in between the two layer of protein. This peripheral protein in between the two layer of protein is the phospholipid. Phospholipid is containing head and tail. Head is hydrophobic in nature and tail. Head is hydrophilic in nature and tail is hydrophobic in nature. To make the membrane straight, smooth, this is very essential. So entire membrane is made up of protein and phospholipid. Bilipid layer is here. And this integral protein acting as a channel protein helps in exchange of material across the membrane. On the surface of membrane, some glycoprotein are also present. So this plasma membrane surrounds the protoplasm in prokaryotic cell and cytoplasm in eukaryotic cell. It is also taking part the surrounding the nucleoplasm, then it is called as nuclear membrane. It also surrounds the mitochondria, chloroplast, other membrane bound cell organisms. So all these are the membranous structure which are having the chemical composition like protein and phospholipid. Of the nature of plasma membrane, on the basis of their nature, it is three type: permeable membrane. The some membrane allow to pass any molecule across it. Selective permeable membrane, some membrane allow to pass only selective molecule, not to other. Suppose the membrane of exolemma, axon, membrane of axon, that is exolemma of the nerve cell. In normal condition, it allowed to pass only potassium molecule, not to sodium. But in excited state, when any stimulus comes, get excited, then it allowed to pass sodium ion also. So it is depend upon the channel opening, then the other molecule can pass across it through carrier protein. Molecule are going to pass across the membrane. And the other membrane is the semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane means the membrane which allow to pass only water molecule, solvent molecule across it. Water is universal solvent. Suppose the salt or sugar you will add in water, it will get dissolved. So salt and sugar are solute, it is going to add in water, that is called as solvent. Water is solvent, and both the water and this sugar, when sugar get dissolved in water, that is called as solution. So here the RBC is a cell. It is surrounded with the plasma membrane. Here we are keeping this RBC in water. The water is dilute, but in RBC there is the glucose, amino acids, some materials are present. So here concentrated inside. The water is here pure. It is dilute, so water molecule moves inside through semi-permeable membrane. This is endoosmosis. Then it will swell up and burst. Here inside the RBC 0.7% concentration. Outside we have taken also 0.7% solution. When we have to keep RBC, there is no change because both side concentration is equal. Then water molecule will move neither outside nor inside, so remain unchanged. Here, when RBC we have to keep into hypertonic solution. This is hypotonic, this is isotonic, and this solution is hypertonic. This solution is hypertonic. When we have to keep in hypertonic solution, then what will happen? Then here outside concentrated 1.5% solution and here inside 0.7%. The water from RBC moves outside, then RBC will shrink. So according to nature of the solution, its concentration, the membrane work is going to change. Here water coming inside across the membrane, here water going outside across the membrane. Means when cell is kept into hypertonic solution, exoosmosis takes place, water will move from the cell. When cell is kept into hypotonic, means dilute solution, then water will move inside, then endoosmosis takes place. So this is the nature of plasma membrane. You have seen the resin is किशमिश पानी में डाल दिया, कुछ समय के बाद स्वेलअप हो जाता है, क्योंकि किशमिश के अंदर शुगर है, वो कंसंट्रेटेड है और बाहर पानी है, तो वाटर विल गो इनसाइड थ्रू द सेमी परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन, osmosis takes place into, so it will be swell up. So here the RBC is also swimming. The membrane of RBC is also like a plasma membrane. It acts as the semi permeable membrane. So this is all about the structure and the function of the plasma membrane. Thank you very much.